In this video, I will guide you how to get NordVPN for free using its official free trial through its official method. No hack, no fake promise, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please visit my YouTube channel. You will find some awesome useful content. Here you can see how to get Gemini AI free for 1 year and how to get Gemini Enterprise account free for 30 days without credit card. And here you can see how to get CapCut, Duolingo or Adobe Creative Cloud, Blackbox AI, Liberty AI Pro. Here you can see almost I am trying to upload daily one video. So let's start the video. This here you can see I have already created an account. Here you can see subscription active until 9 March 2026. So this is my referral link. Here you can see I'll give this link in this video description. Here you can see your friend gets 3 months if they buy the 1 year or 2 year plan and one extra month. So don't worry about that. Please watch full video. I'll guide you how to get in this video how to get in a cheap price. Also, simply click on link which is available in this video description and comment. Here you can see get your 3 month free of NordVPN right now. Simply click on this get free month, then select any plan. Select which plan is suitable for you, then click on suppose if you want to buy 1 month plan. Here you can see the for the 1 month it's charge $18. Simply type here your email address and card detail and click on complete purchase. If you don't want to pay this $18 for 1 month, then I will suggest you to visit my digital store. Here you can see techpolistar.com for NordVPN 250 private account. You will get account in your Gmail address. So the account is full private, only you are the user. Simply click on add to cart and buy from here. If you don't want to buy from nordvpn.com in $18 for 1 month, because in a cheap price you will get from here. Simply add to cart, or you want to order on WhatsApp, then click on this order via WhatsApp also. Here you can see I have also listed more product. In the future I will add more product also. If you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video.